So today we have Mr. Sanjay Modi, MD, APAC and Middle East from Monster.com. Mr. Modi has an extensive experience in the corporate world from almost more than 20 years right now in various roles of general manager, sales engineer and now a managing director. So sir, my first question would be, why do we run?
I think because we were born to run.
Okay.
Right. So I think that's the basic reason, because you are in a world which is and most of you are engineers, so you would understand that there is a constant motion and momentum going, right? And sometimes I really believe that 6.5 billion people running. So actually, what is making the earth rotate or revolve? Is it because we are moving, and like a wheel, we are moving it around the sun, etc.? So it is human nature.
Right.
Nothing is constant. Either you like it or dislike it. Situations change. You need to adapt. You need to move from point A to point B, and hence running is inevitable.
Right. So you talked about protecting and polishing one's calling in life. How easy or difficult do you think that is, especially for us in a corporate world?
Very difficult. Reason being because we wear so many disguises that somewhere in the entire run we miss ourselves.
Right.
So it is like peeling onion. When you keep peeling it one layer after the other, it will take some time before you touch yourself in terms of who you are.
Right.
But the point is, if you are successful in that and you touch who you are, you would be the next whosoever. Right? You could be the next Steve Jobs, you could be the next president or a prime minister, you could be a person who would be changing and working for the betterment of the humankind, but it all depends on you, what you want to be.
So sir, tell us, a race horse or a workhorse, which do you think one should be?
A hybrid.
Okay.
So I would say your basic DNA is of a workhorse. That means we are born to work hard, and that's what we have been doing perennially still from when the mankind started. But there will be situations when you need to don the hat of a racehorse as well, where speed is a sense, where finishing is a sense. So let the DNA be of a workhorse, and sometimes as the situation demands, be a racehorse as well.
So next question is, you talked about ideators and executioners and how the bifurcation is important. So why do you think that separation has to be there between the two?
It's very simple. An executor will only ideate what the person can execute. Right? So if you make the executor the ideator, they will only ideate what is possible. But if you make the ideator only to ideate, he has no strings to the execution. And that's where the brilliance of an idea will come from.
Right. And so lastly, one piece of advice that you would want to give to the budding managers of VG-SOM. So what would that be?
Be honest,
Right.
Focused, train hard, and endure as much.
Right.
Flow with the river, not against the current. It will not take you anywhere.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.